So the moment when the fan turns on, okay, she flashed. Back in the box with you. You're going back to Walmart. I mean, it was free next day shipping. Here's the delivery photo. But yeah, $65, total 71, and basically the return in process. Show barcode. So basically, I just take this back to Walmart in the box, like such, and that's all I gotta do. So plan B, in store they have this little guy for $75. I mean, not bad. There's pretty good reviews there. Same basic thing. No handle though. But yeah, that looks good. And it does this like small ices too. Large and small. Sweet.